Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my November Target Beauty Box. So if you were not aware, Target actually put out a lot of holiday beauty boxes this month. This is not it. This is their standard Target Beauty Box. They actually posted this a week late. So I normally have this up fairly early in the month, but they did post this a week late because they did the specialty boxes this month. So for example, they had like the Best of Derm Store. That actually was probably the one box that I was most interested in, but it was sold out online and my Target didn't have them in stock in the store. Only certain Targets did. So I wasn't able to get a hold of that one. They also had a bunch of different ones for like hair products and that sort of thing. They had a Best of Boots, which I actually got that box, the same exact box a couple of months ago as a bonus, like as a second normal box. So yeah, I was not able to pick up any of those boxes, which is fine. Like I said, the only one that I was really interested in is the Derm Store box. And, you know, I just didn't get a chance to pick it up. It was sold out by the time I got to it. I think later the same day it posted, like that evening. It was already sold out. So, but this is the standard Target Beauty Box for the month of November, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up with you today. And it is, things are falling. Things are falling. I'm going to take the lid off. There is a card on the inside. It does have all the products in here. There are 6 items this month. And then it does have the standard Target coupon, $3 off of a purchase of $15 or more for cosmetics, skincare, or hair care from November 5th to December 3rd. The card says, "Hello, hydration. Wintertime brings a lot of joy, sparkling snowflakes, hot cocoa, the holidays. But the harsh elements can also throw off skin's pH balance and strip hair of its shine. So what's a gal to do? Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll fend off all your winter woes and help you maintain your glow all season long." So you can check them out, and if you like them, target.com/beautybox, and it says, you know, tag them on social media. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. The paper is all discombobulated in here. So there's that. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and put it down here on my table and we will go through the items one by one. And if you're wondering, I have my favorite shirt here. It's Fur Mama. This is from my boutique, Niminis.com. I will leave the link to it in the description bar down below. All right. We're going to go ahead and pull these 2 items out right here. This is from Hask. Monoi Coconut Oil Nourishing Shampoo and Nourishing Conditioner. And they've been putting this tape on here the last couple of months because, let's be honest, a lot of times these liquids will leak. And I think they probably just got sick of reimbursing people for the cost of the box, you know? I know I had one that leaked and that's what they did. They just literally reimbursed me the cost of the box. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Just smells like coconut, to be honest with you, which I do enjoy. I used to hate coconut. I used to hate it. And then I was eating, I started implementing a lot more coconut into my diet, and now it doesn't bother me. So the shampoo does not have as much of a strong scent of coconut. But anyway, here they are. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and read to you from the card. This is the, let's do the shampoo first. This coconut nourishing shampoo, softening oils, and a blend of Tahitian gardenias hydrate and strengthen strands for refreshed, revived tresses. And it says it's sulfate and paraben free. And then the conditioner, this is a rich blend of hydrating oils, protect hair against damage, leaving frayed ends tangle free and limp locks lush. There you go. All right, we're going to go ahead and pull the next item out of here. Let's do this one. This is from Bliss. It says it's the Drench and Quench Clear Cream to Water Hydrator for All Day Moisture. So it's in a box. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the box. Okay, it's in a little blue tub. Woo! I did not expect that. It is a bright blue shade. I wasn't expecting it to be quite so vibrant. It smells really good though. A lot of it came out on the lid. So, okay. This is the Cream to Water Hydrator for All Day Moisture. been having some dry skin lately. I will definitely try this. So this is from Bliss. It's the Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator. This lightweight cream to water hydrator surges skin with over 10,000 marine micro droplets for intense hydration and an improved moisture barrier within 4 weeks. For best results, massage onto clean skin for 30 seconds. Use daily AM and PM. So, all right, that's not a bad thing to get. Okay. I'll tell you what, though, there's something on the outside of that bottle. I don't know if it's that or if it's something else. Like, I guess it would have to be this because it was in that box, right? I don't know. I don't know. It feels like almost oily, which I don't really like. So we'll see if it's actually that product. I'm going to put it back in the box just for now because it feels oily. All right, we'll go ahead and pull this out next. It's another little tub. This is from Lumine. It is the Nordic Sea Overnight Bright Sleeping Mask, and it does have a safety seal on it, which is good because the lid was actually loose, but with the safety seal, nothing came out. So there it is. Okay. This is the Lumine Valo Overnight Cream. Potent combination of vitamins, extracts, and hyaluronic acid boosts skin radiance overnight so you'll wake up to a softer, brighter looking complexion. There's a trick. Applying toner before helps balance skin's pH so it can better absorb the yummy ingredients. So, okay. Moving on, there's 2 more things in here. What do we want to pick out first? Let's go ahead and pull this out. This is from L'Oreal. This is the Hydra Genius Normal Dry Skin. I don't know what this is. Looks like it's moisturizer. There's the little bottle. All right. So it's L'Oreal Hydra Genius Liquid Care Moisturizer. Aloe water and hyaluronic acid provides 72 hours of intense and continuous hydration so skin is fresh and glowing. Okay. I'm going to actually squirt a little bit of this out. Maybe. Doesn't seem to want to come out. Maybe I'm not going to get anything out of this product. Oh, there it goes. Took a long time to get that going. Let's see what it feels like. All right. It smells like hairspray. To me, it smells like hairspray. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use that. We'll see. It feels nice, but it has like a hairspray smell. Oh well. All right. The last item in here is from Aquaphor. It's the Lip Repair Immediate Relief for Severely Dry Lips, which I've been having lately, and I probably would have really enjoyed having this over the last week and a half. So there's that. The Aquaphor Lip Repair. Its nourishing vitamins, shea moisture, and chamomile essence help relieve dryness quickly and soothe chapped lips, providing long-lasting moisture for a perfectly smooth pout. You dab onto lips, then gently scrub using a clean toothbrush, which increases blood circulation as you exfoliate. The result, plump, kissable lips. So wait, is this something you leave on or you just exfoliate with it? So this just says apply to lips as needed. I don't know. Is this something you leave on like chapstick or do you like brush it off with a toothbrush? I don't know. I'm confused. So if you guys know, let me know. Maybe it's just something that they're like saying you could do extra beyond just putting it on your lips. I'm just not sure. So in my box this month, I got the Aquaphor Lip Repair, the L'Oreal Moisturizer, the Bliss Moisturizer, the Lumine Moisturizer. Technically, it's a sleeping cream, but it's a moisturizer. And then the shampoo and the conditioner. So it's not horrible. I only paid $7 for this box. I feel like I got $7 worth of products, if that makes sense. I do feel like I got $7 worth of products. But is this the best Target box I've ever gotten? No, absolutely not. It's not. I normally get at least 1 to 2 makeup products in my Target box. typically at least one, and they just don't have any in this month, which is a little disappointing. But it seems to be that most of my boxes this month so far. So I've actually unboxed 6 boxes already this month. This is my 6th box that I'm unboxing. I already did my Sephora and my Sephora Play, my Ipsy box, which will be posting on Friday. But this is my 6th box that I'm opening. And there's just a lot of skincare this month. A lot of skincare. And that seems to be the way that most of these beauty boxes are going, and that makes me sad. It makes me really sad. I don't know about you guys, but it makes me sad. All right, there's my Target Beauty Box for $7 for the price that I paid for it. I think it's really good. You know, in my house, we'll definitely use the shampoo and conditioner. The moisturizers, I don't know. I'm definitely going to give the Aquaphor Lip Repair a try because I have been eating it lately. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit the red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section and down below as well. I do read and respond to every comment that I get. I do appreciate you taking the time to leaving me a message. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.